First things first, choosing the right saw is paramount. Hand saws come in all shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific task. Whether you're cutting through hardwood, softwood, or a sheet of plywood, there's a saw for that. Now on to preparing the workpiece. Securing the material is not only a safety measure, but it also ensures a clean cut. A firm grip using clamps or a vise should do the trick. Stability is key here. Next up, marking the cut line. A simple task, yet one that requires precision. A pencil or marker will guide your blade and help you stay on track. Once you've marked your line, it's time to grip the saw properly. One hand on the handle, the other stabilizing the front of the blade. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart for a comfortable stance. Now, to start the cut, position the saw blade at a slight angle on your marked line and apply gentle pressure. Remember, it's the saw's teeth that do the work, not your muscles. Smooth, controlled strokes are the way to go. A consistent back and forth motion will keep the saw on course. Erratic movements are a saw's worst enemy. As you're cutting, remember to let the saw do its job. Gradual, steady progress is better than rushing and straining the blade. Alignment is key when it comes to sawing. Keeping the blade in line with the marked cut will ensure accuracy. Adjustments might be needed, but that's part of the process. As you near the end of the cut, be ready to support the falling piece. This prevents any unwanted splintering or breakage. When the cut is complete, guide the saw through the remaining material carefully. Then, remove any clamps or vise grips and inspect your work. Safety precautions are a must when it comes to using a handsaw. Gloves and goggles are your best friends, protecting you from splinters and debris. Finally, maintaining your saw is essential. A clean, sharp saw is a happy saw. Regular inspections will keep it in top shape, ready for your next project. So there you have it, the art of using a handsaw, broken down into easy, manageable steps. From choosing the right saw to maintaining it, these steps will have you sawing like a pro in no time.